Hello everyone, welcome to the BlackHat path. We have been doing theory for quite a few videos now, but cybersecurity becomes much more interesting when you actually start doing things practically. So today, let's add some practical into the flow. In this video, we are going to host our first website on Kali Linux using Apache web server. And trust me, this is important because later, when we learn website attacks, SQL injection, web security, and penetration testing, these concepts will help you understand things much better. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So in this video, we will install Apache web server, start Apache services, open our website locally, create our own web page, and by the end of this video, you will have your own running website. For this, let's move to the terminal. Now type sudo apt update. This command updates the package list of our system. It does not install anything, it simply checks for the latest available packages. Now let's install Apache web server. For this, type sudo apt install Apache 2. This command will install Apache in your Kali Linux system. In my machine, Apache is already installed, but this command will help you install Apache in your machine. When permission asks, type Y and press enter and just wait for the installation. Apache is one of the most popular servers in the world. Many real-world websites use web servers like this. So what exactly is Apache? Apache is a web server software and its job is to host website and respond to the browser's request. Whenever someone opens a website, a server sends website files to the browser. So basically, Apache helps us run websites. Now, after installation, we need to start Apache service. For this, write sudo systemctl start Apache 2. This command starts Apache service. Now let's confirm whether Apache is running properly or not. For this, type sudo systemctl status Apache 2. If you see active running, that means Apache is working successfully. Now comes the interesting part. Let's open our hosted website. Open your browser and type localhost. Here you can see the Apache default page. This means Apache is working successfully. And technically you just hosted our first website. But this is not our website. This is Apache's default page. Now let's create our own website. For this, open terminal and type cd /var /www /html. This folder stores website files. Whenever someone opens localhost, Apache checks for this folder and load files from here. To check the files, type ls. You can see a file called index.html. This is the main web page. Now let's edit this file. For this, type sudo nano index.html. You may see a lot of code here because Apache already created a default web page. Instead of editing everything, let's simply remove this content. Select the complete content and remove this. Now let's create our own web page. For this, type arrow bracket h1 welcome to the BlackHat path and close h1 tag. Now let's use a paragraph tag. Type, this is my first website hosted on Kali Linux. This is simple HTML. Now press Ctrl plus O, press enter, then Ctrl plus X to exit the nano editor. Go back to the browser and refresh the localhost. And there we go. Now our own website is live. This is our first hosted website on Kali Linux. Now you might be thinking why we are learning this in cybersecurity. Because before learning website attacks, penetration testing, and web security, you must first understand how websites are hosted. Later, when we will learn SQL injection, website vulnerabilities, burp suit, and web attacks, this foundation will help you understand everything much better. So in this video, we learned how to install Apache, how to start Apache services, how to host a website, and how to edit website files. Finally, we hosted our own webpage. Things are about to get much more interesting in upcoming videos. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay sharp, and this is the BlackHat path.